Hello, this is Anya, my new student, and I'm Miss Elza Breeder, and we start with the correct position. So the chair needs to be adjusted according to student height. So this is the distance between the board and the shoulder. Students sit up tall as a tree. Now we need high position for the chair, so the student, the Anya, could use her hands, the arms, in this such an angle. See, it's not like this, it's like that. And how I explain Anya, remember we talked about this Anya, the creek, small creek, the water coming from here and flowing down through the elbows, through the hands, toward the fingertips, and it's coming to the fingertips. So we don't wanna this position, we don't wanna that position. So it needs to be this part much elevated than the elbows and then fingers. So the most elevated parts, of course, upper arm, after that elevated elbows. Yeah, so students used to play like this. If they sit too low, their elbows down, and it's locking the sound, the control of the tone. Okay, and Anya also got some exercises for her shoulders, relaxations, arms, but this is about position. Now Anya is going to play what she just learned with second fingers, C major scale, up and down. Anya, you comfortable? Oh, what is this? You painted something. Okay. Ready? Anya, I was watching you, lost my notes. So we talked before, Anya wants to be so relaxed and so loose with her hands, so it feels like she's petting the keys. She's petting them like a pet her favorite dog. Her dog is very nice, right, Anya? If Anya is not relaxed, her hands become very stiff. Her fingers become very hard, and instead of looking like this nice and sweet, they look like who, Anya?
A spiky boy.
Like who? Porcupines.
A porcupine.
Porcupines, yeah. We don't want porcupines, we want a very, very nice fingers looking like this down. Okay, enough for now. Bye guys. This was Anya and Miss Elza Richter about the beginning stage for students, position, how to sit and how to hold hands and arms.